We got a pretty hot looking 1971 Plymouth Duster 340 here today. Look at the colors, the orange on the inside and the outside. It was factory born this way. This is a number matching 340 car. And actually the way you see it is the way this car was born, down to the stripes, the wheels. We have the original build sheet. You know what else is really rare about this car? It has bucket seats with a center console. Most of the Dusters I see are bench seats. It also came from the factory with air conditioning. Although it's not all complete under the hood, it does have a rebuilt compressor, has the interior components, so it is a factory air car that's not working today, but that's really rare in a Duster 340. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can check out all the photos top to bottom, read the description, and you'll find a price tag along with the monthly finance payment on every car that we have for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified when a new video is posted. But for right now, join me, let's go for a spin. Okay, so underneath the car is just really clean, solid, orderly, solid original floors. Didn't see any rot or rust. The floors, the braces, the frame rails, the lower inner quarter panels, all appear to be really nice, solid, original metal. It looks like a car that's been maintained as needed. Front end components look real good. Some components look newer than others. The rear suspension, I think, has been rebuilt. The springs and the bushings are really clean. It has gas shocks in back and I think in front as well. Fuel tank's really clean. It has a dual exhaust system. It sounds real nice. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Disc brakes in front. E-brake cables are hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It has the Torque Flight automatic transmission. It has 323 gears in the back end. So again, solid, orderly, proper underside. It's a sharp looking car. As I'm talking, I'm sitting there thinking in my head, look at the stance, the colors, the stripes, the big 340 Wedge call out on the hood, a blacked out hood, and this thing's got it going on. This is a looker right here. So let's check out the body real quick. All clean, smooth metal. I mean, this is really nice and smooth, no bubbles. Oh, there's a little bump at the bottom corner of that door, like size of my pinky nail. This is all straight, no damage, no dents, no issues. Has the fender mounted turn signals too. Fender is real clean. The car is really straight. That's dry, clean metal. It has the Penstar, and they only came on one side. That's the way they were. Remember years ago thinking to myself, oh, they forgot to put it on the other side. But no, that's the way they were. Okay, it does have a little spot of bubble right here on the corner. So both doors on the front corners got a little spot. Otherwise, the rockers are clean and straight. There's one more bubble way down at the bottom. This is where there's a factory seam, so that did bubble right there. This is all nice and clean and straight. And this paint job is several years old. We sold this car once before, I don't know how many years ago, and it's holding up beautifully. This is the original color. It's polished very smooth and glossy. I mean, that's just about like glass. The decal package, the Duster 340 on the back and on the sides, that's all in excellent shape. Whoever put it on did a nice job. Paint is beautiful, smooth and glossy. The rear windows, really nice original, only real light scratches. The vinyl top must be new, that's like mint. Got the pop-out little quarter windows here. Door handles have been replaced. As the sport mirrors, they're painted. Again, the blackout hood. New windshield, or newer. Here's one little mark right here. I don't know if that wipes off or not. Doesn't look like it. Front bumper is real shiny. The grille has been repainted. That's real nice. Has an original type antenna. They're 14-inch rallye wheels. They're painted nice. Trim looks nice. BFGoodrich tires. Yeah, it's a sharp-looking car. Back bumper is real nice and shiny. Has the right tips coming out right below it. Let's open it up. We'll give you a tour of the inside. All right, let's see the inside. Underneath the trunk lid's painted glossy like the outside. That's pretty sharp. Same thing with the jamb, is painted real slick. Weather strip is soft. The mat is new. The trunk compartment, really nice, clean, solid metal. They look like the original quarter panels. There's no spare under there. It's such a tires were skinny back then. You'd have to put a little skinny donut in there. But nice, clean trunk compartment. No jack or spare. Now the name that Plymouth calls this color is Tor Red, T-O-R-E-D. Jambs are nice, weather strips are soft. Now the door panels and armrests, they're in great looking shape. The dash pad has been replaced. The instrument panel's really nice. The chrome, the wood grain, the knobs, all looks really good. We did have these gauges completely rebuilt last time we owned the car. It does have the factory gauge cluster here. Now this is the factory air conditioning controls I was talking about. Original radio. Nice glove box. Owner's manual. Nice carpet. Has some embroidered mats. Like I was saying, it has a center console. It's a good original condition. The chrome's a little bit worn. But just to have a console and a duster is kind of rare. The orange seats look to be in really nice shape. Back seat also, they got a slight amount of tinge to them. They can be cleaned up a little more. I don't know if that means they're original or if they've been reupholstered or not. Apparently one person did own this car 10 years, and the title was branded as original miles. That was a while ago, though. Headliner's real good. There's some wrinkles in it. I actually know there are some holes in the headliner. He's got little patches, so there's a few little holes in the headliner. Steering wheel looks good. There's 14-inch rallye wheels. These little 340 motors were pretty potent. They rated them, I think, around 270, but anything you read up about them says they were more than that. So it's a 340, 4-barrel. It is VIN number matched to this car. Stock manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner, that all looks stock. The heater is hooked up. This is where the AC lines would run into the car. All clean metal, all painted orange. This is part of the AC. Condenser is up front. And then you do have a compressor, and my notes say it was rebuilt, not by us, but so you could get functioning there if you spent a couple bucks on it. Chrysler radiator, the right cap, the right clamps, the right shroud. Battery is secured. It's a nice clean motor compartment. Well, there you have it. It's a pretty exciting little duster right here. It's got a lot of cool things going for it. Part of our service is when a car comes in, the lead mechanic test drives it, inspects it, puts it on the lift. I guess we fix the door locks, reverse lights, a couple miscellaneous things that we did fix on the car. And my notes from the last time we owned it, we rebuilt the entire gauge cluster, sent that out. We redid the front brakes, had a front end alignment done on it. We are also going to be replacing both mufflers just from, not being driven enough. It did get some rust in both mufflers. Those are going to be replaced. That's on the schedule. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Subscribe, click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.